In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Google Sheets using the hyperlink function. To get started, open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where you want to add your link. This function is useful when you want to turn a long web address into clean, readable text that people can click on directly. Instead of showing a full URL in the cell, you can display simple text such as the name of a website, a document label, or a call to action. Once your sheet is open, click on the cell where you want the hyperlink to appear. This is important because the formula will be entered into the currently selected cell. Make sure you choose the exact spot where you want the clickable text to be displayed. Now, type the following formula into the cell. Equals hyperlink open parenthesis quotation mark. https://wikipedia.org quotation mark. Comma quotation mark visit Wikipedia quotation mark. Close parenthesis. After entering the formula, press enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will process the formula and display the text visit Wikipedia inside the cell. The text will appear as a clickable blue link. When someone clicks it, they'll be taken directly to the website you included in the formula. Here is what this formula is doing. The first part, inside the first set of quotation marks, is the destination URL. That's the web address the link will open. The second part, inside the second set of quotation marks, is the label that will be shown in the cell. This lets you keep your spreadsheet looking neat and easy to read, especially if the original URL is long or distracting. When entering the formula, be careful with punctuation. The quotation marks, comma, and parentheses all need to be in the correct places, or the formula may not work properly. If something looks wrong, click back into the cell and check for missing symbols or spelling errors in the web address. This is a simple but powerful function that can make your spreadsheets more professional and user-friendly. It's especially helpful when you are sharing resources, organizing references, or creating sheets that other people will interact with. Thanks for watching.